You've entered into the portal of heaven. This is the doorway to heaven.
For us as Roman Catholics, this is Mother Church.
Jesus answered, "You are Peter, the rock on which I will build my church."
They wanted you to experience that the veil of heaven had been pulled back. At that moment, heaven had come radically down and touched earth. Well, it's larger than life here. It's just amazing. Just the sheer size of it.
You know you're in the presence of a great man.
He's the missing link between the Catholic people and God.
The depth, the cry. It's worth all that Michelangelo put into it if it will awaken and deepen faith.
You are rock, Peter, and upon this rock I will build my church. And the gates of hell shall not prevail upon it.